Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are getting the rejection now. So yesterday when I saw this, or rather on Friday when I make the video. So on Friday, the candle the candle had a big body. It was an engulfing candle on Friday when I made the video. Okay, and I said we have to keep an eye. So now it looks like more of a bearish hammer rather than a bullish breakout. Okay, so things have changed. You see how the market works. This is how it works. Okay, so on Friday it looked like a bullish breakout. The candle had a long body, but now it looks like a bearish hammer in weekly. Okay, so coming back to daily time frame, we have you see what happened on Friday. This happened, engulfing candle, breaking below the EMA. So this could be a pullback only, the time will tell. So let's get back to 4 hour. In 4 hour we have broken below the EMA, so it's very tricky right now. I'll look for longs only, but it's tricky actually. This could easily go down. Okay, so I'm expecting the coming week for dollar to be red. So dollar being red means dollar pairs will be red as well. So USD CHF this week has to go down. Okay, now let's see. This is the problem here is that this is your high. So this is broken. You see, so this previous high is broken. So we should be going long, but maybe not this week. Maybe next week. Okay. So that is why it's tricky. You can skip this trade if you don't want to trade. There are so many other trades. Euro USD, GP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, SZD. You can trade so much. I trade these non USD pairs, by the way, these days. Okay, so you got to know what's happening with the dollar. Dollar is going to crash. When I say crash, I'm talking about the economy, not just because dollar can be manipulated. Okay, so they can print dollars and they can have more dollars in America. That means nothing because that currency is not backed up by any commodity. Okay, America don't have gold. So all these countries such as Russia, China, India, Japan, Australia, maybe some countries in Europe, they're going away from the dollar. Away means that they're doing business with each other in other currencies now, not in dollars only. Okay, so people are doing currencies in their local. People are doing business in their local currencies now, in Chinese currency, in Indian currency, in Russian currency. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Dollar is weakening. Okay, but what happens with the USD CHF? It's quite tricky. Come back to 4 hour. We are already below the EMA. So why is it tricky? Because use your where is my Fibonacci? That's it. Okay, so this is your uptrend. Okay, in the uptrend, we still have the chance to come down until 78%. Okay, so while it might seem as the downtrend or the price is going to come down now, two possibilities: either the price will reject from here, 61% is already done. Okay, so either price will reject and go up again, or it will come down until 60 or 78% and then go up again. Otherwise, if it breaks 78%, then we'll go for this low. Okay, coming back to daily chart, in daily chart, this is the same thing. Right now it's at 61%, so just do your maths, do your calculations. Okay, come back to 4 hour again. In 4 hour, let me delete this. Yeah, in 4 hour, if you see another engulfing blue candle right here, which will eat this, let me delete it. So if another blue candle, next blue candle on Monday eats this previous red candle, then that will be the continuation of the uptrend. Otherwise, maybe this low will be broken, and that will be the continuation of the downtrend. And after the pullback, okay. So too much for free, and if you're not sure, then don't trade this pair, okay. But looks like dollar is gonna go red coming week now. So that's it for free. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, blah blah blah, and do everything what I said in the beginning. Join brokers, join my free Telegram. If you don't do it, I'll stop doing what I'm doing. Bye.